Hi guys, welcome back to Pink Alley's Gaming World. Today we're gonna be playing Adopt Me, and as you see here, I got more Robux today. 1,605 Robux that I got. So I'm just saying that 5 million plus and 1 million plus. 1 million is a lot. Oh my, that's bad. Oh, that's pretty bad. But guys, so you know the Beatles? I've been keeping the Mud Bowl a long time, and now it came out. So I am going to been buying more Mud Bowls, and on my first try, I got a blue beetle, which is ultra rare. So that is pretty good. Sugar glider. I wonder if this is like legendary. Because is it? I can probably go check on the dummy center. So let's go. Okay, so we're just gonna head to the nursery center. Okay, there it is. Okay, here we are. Okay, where is it gonna be? I think this is it. What is that? Probably from the Wonderland. I don't know. Okay. Okay, it's right there. So they're ultra rare. Okay. To the shop. Okay. Wait, is the? I mean, we could buy money. Okay. So maybe we can buy a mud bowl because I mean it's owl. Wait, where is it gonna go? Like, it's gonna come back anyway. Oh, it's staying for a long time. Okay, so here it is. I've been waiting for this update. I was like, yay, I can finally buy stuff. Oh my god. I got like, okay, wait, I'm gonna get my unicorn now. Let's get her out. Okay, which kind of one? Oh, I think it's this one. Okay. See, look, see those little earrings on her? Look at this. Look, it looks so cute on her. Mhm. I wonder what's my butterflies. And then I have 2 rocks. And I have, what are those called? Mythical. Mythical X. I don't know, but like, is this like, it's not even 50 bucks. It's an Asian cat, which is not legendary. As soon as we get a gold one, this always happens. Lately, it's been happening since another video I made, I think. Did I ever make a video? They're here. Okay, fingers crossed. Oh man! Only one more. I'm buying. I'm off my budget. One more, please. I want a golden one. Another ultra rare one. Can I at least? You're so hard to get. I'm buying more. I'm off my budget. Nah, actually no. How dare you betray me, Golden? How dare you betray me? You betrayed her. Okay. I just can't believe Legendaries betrayed you. Where am I? Oh my god, that's scary. Maybe I can boing, boing, boing. What is that? What is in here? It's gonna stay ever and ever and ever and ever. Oh, why am I climbing on you? I want another unicorn. I can have your unicorn. My dream pet is a neon unicorn. My friend has one, but she doesn't want to get it. Yeah. Can I just no? Because you're beautiful and you know, like I hope I didn't go away, Lucy. But is it Lucy? No. Yay, Lucy! Lucy. She's not. I might ask her. I might. But oh, she got a little cow. 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 Oh my. What am I doing? Oh no. Okay, I can. Okay, and I can't train my pet. Oh no. But I need. How's are not legendary, but they're my dream pet. They just look so cute. Okay. Okay, she's collecting rare pets, so okay, that's it. Come here. I got bad luck. I got bad luck. I got bad luck. I seriously got bad luck because I bought so many for no reason, and now I'm heartbroken. I really want to change my avatar. No, not in dummy, but like in games or stuff. How does she have so many? I'm going on my budget. I don't care. Is that too many? No. But they really want to legendary. Oh my. Ooh, 16 tequila. How? Did it sound like I hit myself so hard? It didn't actually hurt. It's kind of so funny, you know. And sandwich. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. How much better does he have? She's flexing. She's flexing on everyone. I mean, it's not nice to flex. I mean, it's not nice to flex. You're showing off your pets so people can trade you. It says I don't trade people like so many times. And you're just flexing, so that's how many like people are gonna trade you. So I can't trade her again. She just flex. She's flexing. She's flexing. So I don't know what she's doing now. But I want a present to buy just for fun. Bath face? Seriously? How much presents do I even have? Whoop, whoop, whoop. And this one more. That will make me feel better. What now, doggy? Collect the toy that isn't already in your journal. Okay. Yeah, Merry Christmas. If I open one and then oh my god. Okay, we need a vehicle. What in the world? What in the world? Wait, what is this? Oh no. I don't know where it is. It's rare. Okay. Okay, this is what I do. Get off me. Oh my god. No, another one. Yeah, I have the worst luck ever. Oh, let it go, let it go. Okay, I know you leave. Oh, yay, yay, yay. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. Like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.